Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, Turkey Day. Happy Thanksgiving Day. Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, November the 28th, 2024. I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku with 3 stars, with 4 stars, and this one, Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. We have here the letter Sudoku 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles are not interested. Total 7 extra puzzles. And 4 of them I will solve this evening. But first, these 3 regular puzzles. First one is the 3 stars Sudoku number 9668. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is it a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, the 9, and the 5. We have 6, 9, and the 5 in this big square, so no 6 and 9 and the 5 in these 3 boxes. 6, 9, and the 5 goes in those 3 boxes. 6, 9, 6, 9, and 5. We have a 5 here. 6, 9, and 5. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this column. No 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. Sorry, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. We have 2 in the middle row, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this column. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column 3. Only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 4, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. And 8 and 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place level 9 in this big square should be there. So the 4 and the 7 are left. Okay. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. I need an 8 here. Let me think. 1, 1, 1, 1. I need a 1 there. 1, 3. 3 3 in this row, 3 in a row below, so last row, the only 2 places left on 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, no 8 there, 8 should be here, the 1 goes at there. Then 1, 2, no 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Alright, and now 9, 9, 2, 2. Need a 7 here. Need 3 there. 5 there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with 7 should be there. 7 and a 4. We already have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column, the only place left with 1 should be there. These are 3 missing numbers in this big square. Our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 4, 6, 8. How about these? 1, 8, 6, 1, 8, 6, 1, 8, 6. 8, 8. 8, 8. 3, 3. Need a 1 here. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so we'll come next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so we'll come next. The only place left for 4 should be there. 6, 9, 5. 3 missing numbers, the 6, the 9 and the 5. 6, 9, 5. And look, we have a 9 and a 5 in this middle row, so no 9 and 5 in this box. Oh wait, 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, 9 and 5, yeah. But I cannot place the 5 here, because we already have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes, 1 box left for 5 should be there. So 6 and 9 are left. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Need a 9 there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So we have a 5 in these 2 boxes, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, we need a 5 in a second column, so, but we already have a 5 in this one, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and the 5, we have 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 and the 5, we have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And we have a 1 and a 3 in this column. No 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 6, 9, and the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, only 3 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 in the second column, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column 3, next, the only 3 place level 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 in the first row, no 7 there. The only place level 7 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 place level 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 4 should be there. So the 6 and 8 are left. Okay. Here, 2 missing numbers. The 1 and the 3 are missing in the first column. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. Number 1. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes and 6 and 8. We have 8 now in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. 6 and then 9. So 2 numbers left here. The 6 and the 9 are left. We have a 6 now in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. 9. 9 in the first row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place level 6 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big 12 for the ones. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 12 minutes. Well, it's over again. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. Should be at 0 stars. Yeah. For 0 stars per zone, need to be faster than 14-13 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.